Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the compressor reachable and safe. Disconnect mains, wait 10 minutes, and wear gloves and eye protection. This prevents shock and oil contamination. Once done, tilt the fridge slightly or remove the lower access panel so you can see the compressor base and service port. Make sure to place a drain pan under the compressor. You'll need a syringe, a clean rag, a wrench, and 20-30 ml of manufacturer-recommended mineral compressor oil to proceed to the drain step. You now remove old oil carefully and inspect internal condition. First, loosen the sump plug or service port slowly. Do not force it. Once opened, use the syringe to extract as much oil as possible and transfer it into your drain pan for disposal. While extracting, watch for metal shavings or cloudy fluid. These indicate internal wear. After extraction, wipe the port clean and inspect seals and surrounding tubing for leaks or corrosion, so you know whether replacement parts. You finish by refilling and testing. Slowly inject the recommended 20-30 ml of mineral compressor oil using a syringe, making sure not to introduce air. The compressor needs only a small measured amount. Once filled, tighten the plug to spec, clean any drips, and restore power. Run the fridge for 30-60 minutes while monitoring compressor noise and outlet temperature to confirm normal operation. If you hear knocking, persistent vibration, or find leaks, shut off power immediately, recheck seal torque, and if unresolved, call a certified technician.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.